Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English Flow Studio. I'm Emma, and I'm here with Ryan.
Today, we're looking at 8 real problems you might face in a supermarket. Not the big steps, just the small, uncomfortable moments that can suddenly make you stop and think.
Moments like when the cashier speaks too fast, when a promotion sign makes no sense, or when you cannot find something and you feel shy to ask for help. And the truth is, these moments are also a good chance to practice simple, real English.
Yes, they may feel stressful, but with soft, natural language, you can handle them calmly and confidently.
So today, we'll walk through 8 real supermarket moments and give you the gentle English you can use right away.
Let's begin right at the entrance, a moment many shoppers do not expect.
So you walk into the supermarket, you feel relaxed, ready to start your shopping. But suddenly, someone at the entrance speaks quickly, and you're not sure what they just said.
Yes, some supermarkets ask you to leave your backpack or large bag at the entrance, and when you don't understand the request, you feel a little frozen.
You only need one soft, simple sentence to understand the rule. You can say, "Sorry, where can I leave my bag?"
This sentence is gentle, and people will show you the right place immediately.
And if you're not sure whether you must leave it, you can ask, "Do I need to leave it here?"
Let's listen to how this can sound in a calm moment.
"Hi, sorry, where can I leave my bag?"
You can leave it in the locker here, on the right.
"Thank you. And do I need a coin?"
No, it's free. Just close the door and keep the key with you.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Short sentences are best here. You don't need to explain your whole story. Just ask softly, and the staff will guide you.
And if you want to check if it's safe to leave your bag, you can say, "Is it safe to leave my bag here?" People understand that question immediately.
Ryan, after you leave your bag, something else often happens. You walk into the store, and suddenly you cannot find anything.
Yes, maybe you're looking for rice or eggs or toothpaste, but every aisle looks the same. You walk past the same shelf 3 times, and you feel more and more unsure.
You don't need to search forever. One soft sentence helps right away.
You can say, "Excuse me, where can I find the rice?" Or, "Where can I find toothpaste?"
Let's listen to a gentle, real moment. "Hi, excuse me, where can I find the rice?"
Aisle 7 on the left side.
"Thank you. And where are the eggs?"
Aisle 2, just near the entrance.
"Great. Thanks a lot." You don't need to say, "I'm sorry for disturbing you," or "I've been looking everywhere." People understand quickly when you ask in a soft, clear way.
And if you cannot reach something high up on the shelf, you can ask, "Could you help me reach this?"
Or if the freezer door feels stuck, you can say, "Sorry, this door is hard to open. Could you help me?"
These are small, everyday problems that almost every shopper faces.
Sometimes the problem is not finding the shelf, but choosing from everything on it.
You look at 10 kinds of milk, 7 kinds of pasta, and a whole wall of coffee beans, and nothing looks familiar.
Maybe the label says low fat, whole, organic, unsweetened, or gluten-free, and you wonder what any of those mean.
Here's a soft, simple way to ask.
You can say, "Excuse me, what's the difference between these?"
Or, if you want to know the taste, "What does this taste like?"
Let's listen to an example. "Hi, could you tell me the difference between these two yogurts?"
Sure, this one is low fat, and this one is a little sweeter.
"Thank you. And what does this one taste like?"
It's mild and not too sweet.
"Great. That helps a lot." Small questions like these help you choose calmly, without guessing.
And if you need to check ingredients, you can ask, does this contain nuts? Or, does this contain milk?
These questions are very common and very useful in any supermarket.
And if you prefer something cheaper, you can ask, do you have a cheaper one?
Yes, simple and calm English makes shopping so much easier. Now, even after you choose the right item, a new problem often appears. You look at the price tag, and the promotion sign makes absolutely no sense.
Yes, maybe it says 2 for 5, or buy one, get one 50% off, or discount applied at checkout. And you think, what does that even mean?
You don't need to guess. You can simply ask, "Excuse me, is this on sale?"
Or if you want to understand the sign, you can ask, how does this promotion work?
Let's listen to a clear, calm example. "Hi, excuse me, is this on sale?"
Yes, it is. It's 2 for 5 euros today.
"Thank you. And how does this promotion work?"
If you buy 2, the discount will show at the checkout.
"Okay, great. Thank you so much." These sentences help you understand the deal without feeling confused or embarrassed.
And if you see buy one, get one free, you can ask, do I get the second one for free? People will explain it simply.
Also, if you're unsure about the price after scanning, you can say, "Sorry, could you check the price for me?"
Yes, it's calm, soft, and very natural.
So, you finally understand the price and you walk toward the checkout. But before you pay, someone might ask you a question you were not expecting.
Do you have a loyalty card? And it often sounds very fast, like one long word.
Yes, many shoppers freeze for a second because they don't understand what the cashier is asking.
You only need a simple response. If you don't have one, you can say, no, I don't.
If you want to sign up, you can ask, "Could I sign up for a membership card?"
Let's listen to a real moment.
"Do you have a loyalty card?"
No, I don't.
"Would you like to sign up?"
Yes, please. How do the points work?
You earn points each time you shop, and the card is free.
Okay, great. I'd like to sign up.
You don't need to understand every detail at first. Just ask softly, and people will explain what the card does.
And if you don't want it, you can simply say, no, thank you. Polite, short, easy.
After the membership question, some supermarkets ask about something else, delivery.
Yes, sometimes the cashier says, do you need delivery today? And the words come so fast, you don't really understand what they mean.
Delivery means they can bring your items to your home. Some stores offer it for free, especially if you buy many things.
If you want to check, you can ask, do you offer delivery service? This question works everywhere.
And if you want to know the cost, you can say, "Is delivery free?"
Let's listen to a calm example.
"Hi, do you offer delivery service?"
Yes, we do.
"Is it free?"
It's free if you spend over 30 euros.
"Great. And can you deliver to my address?"
Yes, we can. We just need your name and phone number.
"Perfect. Thank you so much." Small questions like these help you understand the service without feeling lost.
And you don't need long sentences, just soft, clear English.
Now we come to a place where many shoppers feel nervous, the checkout area. There are small questions, fast voices, and machines that sometimes stop working.
Yes. And when these things happen in another language, your mind can feel a little shaky. But calm, short English always helps.
Sometimes the cashier speaks so quickly that all the words blend together, and you're not sure if they asked you about a bag, a membership card, or something else.
In this moment, you only need one soft rescue sentence. Sorry, could you repeat that slowly?
Let's listen to a gentle example. Do you want a bag?
Sorry, could you repeat that slowly?
Would you like a bag?
Oh, yes. One bag, please.
See? No stress, no long sentence. Just a gentle request to hear the question again.
And if you don't want a bag, you can say, no bag, thank you. Very simple.
Another common moment happens when your card does not go through. Maybe the machine beeps or the screen shows a red message. You feel a little warm inside because you don't know what to do.
You don't need a big explanation. You can say, could I try again? Or do you take Visa?
Let's hear this in a calm moment. Your card didn't go through.
Oh, could I try again?
Of course.
Thank you. Do you take Visa if this still doesn't work?
Yes, Visa is fine.
Great. Let me try again.
Short, clear sentences keep you calm and help the cashier understand you quickly.
And if the machine asks for contactless, it simply means you can tap your card without inserting it.
The self-checkout area looks very simple until the machine beeps loudly and flashes a red light.
Yes, sometimes it says unexpected item in the bagging area. And you stand there thinking, what item? What area? Why is it unexpected?
In these moments, just say, I'm having trouble with this machine.
Someone will come help you immediately.
Let's listen to a real example. Hi, I'm having trouble with this machine.
No problem. Let me clear the error for you.
Thank you. It wouldn't scan this item.
I can scan it for you. You're all good now.
Great. Thank you so much. You don't need to understand the whole error message. Just ask for help calmly.
In a supermarket, small sentences make everything smoother.
And now, a moment that surprises many people. You finish paying, you feel relaxed, you take one step toward the exit, and suddenly the alarm beeps.
It's loud. Everyone looks, and your heart jumps a little because you're not sure why it happened.
This moment is real for almost every shopper, and you only need one calm sentence. Sorry, I think the alarm went off.
Let's hear how you can say it without stress.
Sorry, I think the alarm went off.
It's okay. Could you show me your receipt?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. You're all good. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you. You don't need to explain every detail of your shopping. Just say the simple sentence and the staff will check everything for you.
And most of the time, it's just a small sensor mistake.
Even after you leave the exit, there is still one more moment many shoppers face. Maybe your item is damaged. Maybe it is the wrong product. Or maybe you simply want to exchange it.
Yes, these moments can feel uncomfortable because you don't want to sound rude and you don't know what English to use.
But the language you need is soft and simple.
If you want to return something, you can say, I'd like to return this.
And if you want to change it, you can say, could I exchange this?
Let's listen to a calm example.
Hi, I'd like to return this.
Of course. May I ask what the problem is?
It's not working for me. Could I exchange it?
Yes, that's fine. You can choose another one from the shelf.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You don't need to give a long or detailed reason. Soft English is enough. I'd like to return this. And could I exchange this? Are very natural in any supermarket.
And if you're not sure where the customer service desk is, you can ask, where is customer service?
It's a very common question, and people will show you the way. These moments may feel uncomfortable, but they're also good chances to practice calm, real English that you can use anywhere.
And these were 8 real supermarket problems. Not big steps, just small, honest moments that many people face in everyday life.
With soft and simple English, you can handle these situations without stress and even feel more confident each time.
If you enjoyed this gentle lesson, feel free to join us again next time.
Take care, and we'll see you soon here at English Flow Studio.